after midnight. No breaks, no sleep, and it's always been you and me.
Just stay away from my wife, see? Because next time, there won't be a polite conversation.
It's always been you and me. No money, no short change. You still hating. Poor thing. Middle fingers up. Tell you one more thing.
You can't figure it out. It's not a fucking math problem.
Girl,